English podcast.
From LangWidge Web.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to LangWidge Web, the podcast where we make learning English practical, natural, and fun. I'm Tom.
And I'm Maria. Today's episode is all about how to sound more natural when speaking English.
Sounding natural isn't just about correct grammar. It's about rhythm, tone, expressions, and knowing what people actually say in real conversations.
In this episode, we'll teach you simple changes that can instantly make your English sound smoother, calmer, and more confident.
Grab your notebook, your favorite drink, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Let's jump right in. Imagine talking to a native speaker who says, "Hey, what's up?"
And your brain automatically wants to say, I am fine, thank you. And you?
It's correct, but it sounds too formal in everyday situations.
Sounding natural means choosing the right level of English for the moment.
Think about this question for a second. Do you ever feel that your English sounds too formal, textbook-like, or maybe even robotic?
Good. Keep that in mind as we go through today's tips.
This episode will help you speak in a more relaxed, conversational way, just like natives do.
Number 1. Use contractions. Contractions make your English sound smooth and natural. Instead of I am, say I'm. Instead of they are, say they're. Instead of cannot, say can't.
Repeat after me. I'm happy to help. They're coming to the party.
Contractions also help your speech flow better. Fewer stops, more rhythm.
Number 2. Use fillers naturally. Native speakers use fillers all the time. Well, actually, they make speech sound relaxed, not stiff.
Repeat after me. Well, I think we should start now. It's not that difficult.
Just don't use fillers in every sentence. Use them naturally.
Number 3. Use common phrases and idioms. English is full of short, friendly expressions. What's up? Hang on a second. It's up to you.
Repeat after me. Hang on a second. I'll be right back. It's up to you to decide.
Using these makes your English sound familiar and real, not like a textbook.
4. Reduce wordiness. Natural English is simple. Instead of, I would like to ask if you could help me, say, can you help me?
Repeat. Can you help me? I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Short does not mean rude. It means confident.
5. Use intonation and stress. English is musical. Stress and tone can change meaning. Really? Surprised. Really? Bored.
Repeat after me. I can't believe it. That's amazing.
Think about your own speech. Do you use contractions? Do you use fillers?
Which part feels most difficult for you right now?
6. Link words in speech. Natives link words together. I'm gonna go. I am going to go. Wanna, want to.
Repeat. I'm gonna try it. Do you want to come with me?
Linking helps you speak faster but smoother.
7. Use natural questions. Instead of, do you want to go to the park? Say, want to go to the park? Instead of, are you okay? Say, you okay?
Repeat after me. Want to grab a coffee? You okay?
8. Phrasal verbs and everyday expressions. Natives love phrasal verbs. Hang out, catch up, look into it, give it a try.
Repeat. Let's hang out this weekend. I'll look into it and let you know.
9. Mimic native speakers. This is one of the fastest ways to level up your fluency. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, repeat phrases.
To repeat. I didn't see that coming. That's so cool.
10. Slow down when needed. Sounding natural does not mean speaking fast. Even native speakers pause often.
To repeat. Let's take a moment to think. I see what you mean.
Remember, natural English is relaxed.
Don't try to sound perfect. Just try to sound real.
Now it's your turn. Say the natural version of each situation. Situation 1. Greeting a friend. Hey, what's up?
Situation 2. Asking someone to wait. Hang on a sec.
Situation 3. Offering help. You want me to help?
I'm gonna call her and see if she's free. Let's catch up later.
Great job so far. Try using these phrases with a friend today.
Today, we learned how to sound more natural by using contractions, casual expressions, phrasal verbs, linking sounds, and relaxed intonation.
The key takeaway: listen more, repeat more, and speak confidently. Small changes create big improvement.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Comment below, which tip will you use today to sound more natural in English?
Keep practicing out loud. Your fluency grows every time you speak.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.